Hello, my name is Kevin from JBH. Today I'm going to introduce you how to fit the leg rest onto our wheelchair. First of all, you can find there are two leg support parts here and two insert parts here. They're both set for one side of the wheelchair. Okay, let's take in the part here. Try to insert these two pins in the two holes here. Make sure have the two pins here towards outside that allow us to fit two holes here. Once we fit the hole, it's very easy. Just slide it inwards, then you will hear the sound, a click sound. We can actually adjust the angle of the leg rest upwards. There are several sections of choice until it's horizontal. You can adjust the length of the leg rest by touching the pin here and then do adjustment shorter or longer. The support here, you can turn this way or this way. Depends on your requirement. And also here, the footstep, you can turn this way. When you want to lower down the leg rest, it's very simple. Hold it a little bit, push the level down, it will drop automatically. Before we get into the wheelchair with footrest, first of all, we need to push this to the side and also the footstep on the side. That way we can get in easily. Once we get it on, put this back and leg rest. We have the leg up and the other leg up. Right now the leg is fully supported and I feel my leg is really in a very comfortable situation right now. Then we can start to adjust the leg rest. Simply lift up the leg a little bit and then push it up. It will go up to the angle where you want. Or you can choose the both sides up. We can adjust the length of the leg footrest by pushing the pin here. Then it will make it longer, depends on the leg of the user. Oh, okay. Right now we can start the wheelchair and then it will go any direction you want. There's still no interference with your function of the use. If you want to take out the footrest, it's very simple and easy. There's a level here. You just slide it and push it to this way. Then you can take it out easily. And also take out the support parts here. That will be done. Same way to the other side. That's the very simple way of setting the footrest and take it out. If you have any question, just feel free to contact us through email and phone call to us. Thank you very much.